So guys, after my last video, I decided to look on Amazon and see what I can find for my next video. See, what would be a unique product at a cheap price or a budget price that would be great to review. And honestly, I found something insane. I mean, this is absolutely nuts. I found a microphone for $7.50. That's right, $7.50. And I'm wondering, how can a microphone be this cheap? So I got it, guys, and today I'm going to be unboxing it for you guys. This is the Pop Voice desktop microphone. That's right. There's no unique name. I mean, the name is MPH-01, I guess. But yeah, today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing and telling you guys how you guys can make it better, as well as how it sounds right out of the box and how the quality is of it. So let's get into the video. Hello everyone, my name's Aiden and I make budget tech videos, so make sure to hit the subscribe button and the like button and hit the notification bell if you do love tech videos. So yeah, let's get right into this. So first off, $7.50. It seems like the packaging on this thing is more than the microphone. I mean, how can you make a microphone $7.50? I mean, it has to be bad, right? But I do have one thing to say. I was looking on Amazon and their reviews, and it was actually some good reviews. I mean, 4 stars on Amazon and some great comments. And I actually saw a video on there of a guy reviewing the microphone, and I was like, whoa, that's not bad. So today I had to try it. I just had to try it for you guys. See if it's absolutely worth the $7.50 price point. And so yeah, let's unbox it real quick and I'll show you guys the unboxing. Okay, so let's unbox this thing. I mean, this should be easy. I'm using a toenail clipper for some reason. I guess this doesn't want to open. That's good. It's almost there. I swear it is. Honestly, I should have prepared for this. I mean, I should have got scissors or something. Like, just a little tab. I mean, just a little tab. It's just so dumb. It's crazy, honestly. It's almost there, guys. I almost got the tab, and okay, I got the tab, but oh, okay, wow. Anyways, so let's open the box real quick. Pretty easy, simple opening. Basically, you just open it up, and let's see what's in the box. Ooh, an instruction manual. Let's get it. Let's get it. Honestly, nothing much to this probably, so let's just throw that out here. So in the box, as you guys can see, we have one cord, which is actually a USB to headphone and microphone adapter. We got a stand for the microphone. We have the microphone holder, and I'm hoping this thing is compatible with boom arms. If not, this is going to be troubling. And last but not least, here is the microphone. So let's get this plastic wrap off of this thing because, well, we got to see what this thing is made of. So here's the microphone itself. It actually looks like a shotgun microphone for cameras, and it's okay. I mean, it's actually not too bad a quality. It is metal. So, I mean, for $7.50, that's not bad. Honestly, that's not bad. And by the way, guys, this is compatible with PS4 and other electronics like that, but I guess it's not compatible with Xbox for some reason. Don't know why, but yeah, it comes with a 3.5mm jack, and that's why for PC it comes with this adapter. So we're going to be using this adapter today to test it out because that'll be interesting. But yeah, guys, while I'm actually doing all this, let me explain to you guys something. So first off, this microphone is a condenser microphone, which is completely surprising to me for the price. I mean, $7.50 is not something expensive. Typically microphones, go from the $30, $100, and even $400 range, and then you got this thing at $7. I have to say it again. $7.50, which is absolutely insane. It's just crazy. Okay, let's see what this stand is made of because I'm really interested. It feels pretty heavy, honestly, just by unwrapping it. Let's see here. Okay. So this is plastic. It has a weight in the bottom so then the microphone doesn't fall. But we're gonna place that to the side. Now let's get the microphone holder. And this was interesting because the microphone holder looks like any other microphone holder. It's like this, you know, it looks like it could fit a regular microphone, but it couldn't. Oh, okay, so you just gotta pop it in. Just pop it. Let's get it. So anyhow, this is what the microphone looks like. Now let's screw it on. You already know. So actually, this is compatible with boom arms, which is actually very nice. I just found out. I see the screw in it. It's not a half-inch screw. It is actually, I think, 3/4 inch. I'll put something on the screen if it's not. But overall, setup's pretty easy. I mean, it's 3 pieces and bam, you're pretty much done. And also, the good thing about this microphone is that there's no software that you need. Honestly, it's just plug and play. And I feel like that's a good thing. So yeah, I think now what we should do is test this microphone out and see how it stacks up to my Elgato Wavelink, because that's what I'm using right now. I'm using an Elgato Wavelink, so you guys already know how that sounds. So we're gonna see what this sounds like right now, and I will plug it in and show you guys how it sounds. Okay guys, so right now I am speaking on the microphone, and as you guys can see, it has a lot of background noise, which, you know, is not that good. I mean, honestly, it doesn't sound that bad though. The quality of it, you can actually hear some good depth in my voice. I actually noticed. I just tested it on my own before I cut back to myself, and honestly, it's not that bad of a mic. I mean, for $7.50, you can do a lot worse than this. I mean, but here's the number one thing I did notice. You do want to talk a little bit quieter when using this microphone. Like right now, I ain't talking that loud like I do on my Elgato Wavelink. I'm literally just talking so tiny. I mean, it's barely anything. So yeah, make sure not to. And for example, let me just show you guys what it's like typing on my keyboard. Okay, let me snap behind it. Okay, let me move the microphone around my face just so then you can see how it is up here, down below. Okay. So if you put it this close to your mouth, it actually in OBS goes over the red line unless you speak quietly into the microphone like this. So it's a very sensitive microphone. But now guys, I am gonna show you what it can sound like with the right OBS settings, and I'll be back once I figure it out. Okay guys, so this is the microphone again, and basically I made sure that now it has a limit on how loud it can go, and also the background noise is actually not as much. As you can see, it's not that much anymore. And if I type, can't even hear it. So basically what you want to do is go on OBS, hit the settings icon on your microphone, and it will be in the audio mixer section of OBS. Click on filters, and then in filters, right click the left column where it says add filters, and then what you want to do is you want to click on noise gate, and basically what this does is makes it so then it can only go so loud, and make sure that when something is in like the background, for example, it won't do anything, like it won't make any sound, any noise. So adjust that to properly how you want it to be, and then next right click in the filters column again and put noise suppression. This will basically make it so then there's less background noise and it sounds just way better. So let me know what you guys think of this microphone. But honestly guys, in this review and unboxing, I have learned one thing and one thing only, is that budget items can be used correctly if you put the right settings on them. And basically for $7.50, you can't go really any better than this microphone. I mean, there's nothing else out there on Amazon. I checked. There is absolutely nothing that you can get for $7.50 like this microphone. So I'm actually thoroughly impressed. I mean, basically all you need to do is either download software or use OBS, and you'll have honestly a good microphone. I mean, it doesn't compete obviously with the Elgato Wave. Actually, let me turn back to the Elgato Wave because you guys are probably sick of hearing this microphone. Okay, we're back on the Elgato Wave, and yeah, probably like a lot better. But anyways, guys, yeah, to me this is absolutely worth it. I mean, especially if you need a microphone immediately, you don't have much money and you're getting into PC gaming or need it for console, get this microphone. I mean, honestly, even though it looks like a shotgun microphone, it's not that bad. I mean, it's not that bad looking, and honestly, I'd make do with it. Hopefully, there's more to come with microphones at a cheaper price point. Honestly, there has been though lately on Amazon. If you look, there's just a lot of Chinese dealers now with different types of microphones at like 20-30 bucks now, which is absolutely insane, and the quality is really great. So make sure to type in the comments down below if you guys want me to review one of those microphones and which one, because I love reviewing microphones. I mean, the microphone is literally the most important thing to video and content creation, because if you don't have good sound, nobody's going to stay for your video. You need good sound, and honestly with this, you can have it as long as you know what you're doing with settings. If you guys want me to make a video on how to make it even better, because I know one way and it's using a different software, if you guys want me to show you guys that software, make sure to hit the like button and put it down in the comment section. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.